Alrighty guys, time to change the gas tank. We're going up to Jericho Mountain State Forest, State Park, this weekend for what they call the Creepy Crawl something. I don't know, they call it something like that. But we're gonna give that a shot. We're staying at Jericho Getaway Campground. And yeah, should be fun. Got a dead battery. Alright, see if it starts. Got the jumper pack hooked up. Like a charm, every time. Cable keeps popping through. Alright, putting it up on the ramps. See if we don't go too far. Got it down at 4 low. Yeah, so, alright. We've got hole in the tank from 508 last weekend. If you guys ever need something to plug a hole like that, this still has a half a tank in there, but JB wet weld. Putty it up, roll it up in your hands, just jam it in there, swipe it around. You don't need all of this that's here. I could chip this away and just what's in the hole is what's holding it. It plugged it immediately. That stuff is great. This would have saved us. Another friend of ours, he got a hole in his tank at 508 last year, and we couldn't find anything. We were jamming sticks in there, this, that, and the other. And it was a mess. But yeah, look at all the damage under here, huh? Man, do I go through rocks or anything like that? That skid plate gets used. That's the Z1 aluminum skid plate for the engine and front diff. M205 swaps, front locker. I haven't checked these U-joints in a while. I don't know how they're still good. Oh. So yeah, alright, let's get cracking on this gas tank. Look how much dirt's packed in there. Think I do any maintenance on this? Think I ever clean it? Want to see on top of the gas tank? I'll show you on top of the gas tank. It's probably filthy. And I'm also going to use you to take a look for myself, because neither of us can see it. Pop the pump off. Probably gonna just wash off the area so we don't get anything on the pump. And yeah, transfer it to the new tank. Alright, letting this pump dry out. Drip off, whatever. We're gonna change that gasket over to the new tank. So I'm already doing this, and you said that now, and you didn't get home earlier when that would have been a great idea.